Why we are drained physically, mentally, spiritually, and emotionally. Dahil hindi tayo marunong mag-charge, we are not aware of our energy. So, itong nature, how many times na nating sinishare sa Infinite Divine na this is the recharger, this is the charger of our soul. Because we are energetic beings and we are the original technology. So, the word technology, take knowledge from humans. Kahit ng computer, tao lang din ang gumawa niyan. So, katulad ng cellphone, kapag palagi mong ginagamit, nalulobat. So, kailangan mo rin i-charge. So, as human beings and the original and organic technology, so, kailangan din nating i-charge yung ating soul or yung ating electricity sa katawan. So, kaya nga tayo nakukuryente kapag tayo ay humawak ng tubig dahil yung yung spirit natin, yung God spark natin, yung divine light natin, that is your organic electricity or organic pure energy. So, dito sa nature, you can take back your power once na nakapag-recharge ka. Especially ngayon na napakataas na ng frequency ng planet natin, it is already upgraded, and at the same time, kapag we are connecting with Mother Nature, so our energy also can elevate it and we can raise our vibration and frequency.